Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see a beautiful bit of kit, Evolution Industries. They make really high-end clutches, like this is an Evo. This particular one is for a twin cam, 2011 to 16 baggers. Big problem with these bagger ones blowing up, in case you don't know. These are solid CNC. Now this thing is solid steel CNC. Okay, so you're not going to get the problems you get with the aluminium original thing blowing up. Also, this is the sort of thing you'd use if you've got a big motor. You know, if you've got a real big powerful SNS, something like that, this is the one to use. Comes complete with a bearing in it. You know, you get your longer chain, because this particular one is a 37 tooth. That means this will give you more bottom end, you know, much more acceleration than the stock one. Okay, because you're losing a tooth. This is 49, so this is going to give you better cruising RPM. Okay. Or, you know, it's going to rev higher, which means you'll be able to accelerate a lot better, because a lot of the baggers and that, to be honest, are very over geared in top and don't even pull top gear. This is the answer. And the strength of this thing, you could whack any motor on at all. This thing is a billet CNC steel clutch basket, you know, real high end, beautifully made, as you can see. If you're interested in Evolution products, give us a call. This one is Evolution 1006-4510 49 tooth. Okay, give us a call. Thank you.